Slope-intercept form is this pattern right here, y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. Those two are going to be numbers. Y and x will stay variables. So here I have an example. Y equals negative 2/5. That is my m, that is my slope, the letter x, plus my b, that is my y-intercept. 1 is your y-intercept. So when you go to graph it on a line, you're always going to start with your b. That's your beginning. I'm going to start with my 1. So you can see my purple line. I start here at 1. And then I'm going to go my slope of negative 2/5. Since it's negative, I'm going to start going down the top number, and then I'm always going to go to the right. If it was positive, I would have started up. Okay? Let's always do right in the bottom and just make a decision on the top. The top is either up for positive or down for negative. So I'm going to go down 2, 1, 2, and to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll notice here I wind up my purple line. You can do it again. Down 2, 1, 2, to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This goes on forever. You could keep going down 2 and to the right 5. You can also do the opposite. Okay, we went down and to the right. You can also go up and to the left, and it will make the same line. Up 2, 1, 2, to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 2 and to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This line goes on forever. It doesn't just stop here. This is just a piece of the line. Okay, but I would always suggest starting with this pattern if you can. Okay, always just start to the right and then make a decision. If it's positive, start going up the top number. If it's negative, start going down. So let's look at another example. Okay, so graph the line with the equation y equals 2/5 x minus 2. So my m is going to be 2/5, and my b is going to be negative 2. So I'm going to start at my b of negative 2, and I'm going to travel my 2/5. So because it's positive, I'm going to go up 2, and I'm always going to go to the right 5. So I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do it again since I have room. Up 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to go the opposite way now. I'm going to go down 2 and to the left 5. Down 2 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and there I have my line. You can draw a straight line here. Don't have a straight line tool on here, but you can go ahead. Oops, I don't want a circle. Let me just use my pen. Try and do my best straight line through here. There you go. That's your line. It is an increasing line. You will notice this is increasing. Increasing is the same as positive slope. If you have a negative slope, it'll be a decreasing line. So you can always check at the end. If you have an increasing line, you should have a positive slope. So you can see if you did it correctly. All right, let's look at another one. My m is my negative 1/3. It's always the number with x, and your b is the number by itself. So I'm going to start here at 2, and I'm going to travel my slope. Okay, because it's negative, I'm going to start going down 1 and to the right 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to stop and check here. If I were to connect these, it does look like it would be a decreasing line, so that's good. I'm going in the right direction. Down 1/3. Down 1/3. So I can go in the other direction, opposite. I can go up 1 and to the left 3. And this goes on forever and ever, but we're just going to do as many spaces as we can fill in. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect my points. Okay, and I'm going to check. This is a decreasing line. And I have that negative slope there, so that makes sense. Decreasing and negative go together. Let's look at one more example. All right, so look at my M is at -3/4, and my B is -4. So you start on your y-axis with my -4, that's your y-intercept. And then because I have a negative, I'm going to go down 3 and to the right 4. Down 3, 1, 2, 3. Be careful when you're counting. 1, 2, 3. If I can do one more here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I can go the other way. And I can see there it's already starting to make a decreasing line. So I went the right direction. Up 3, 1, 2, 3. And then to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I don't think I can fit another one in there. Okay. Let me make sure I did that one right. 1, 2, 3. Oop, I think I only went 3 here. Fix that. 1, 2, 3. Yep, right there. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect my points. And again, this line appears to be decreasing. Okay, and that's because I have a negative slope, so that matches. If you have an increasing line and a negative slope, you probably went the wrong way. You probably did your up and down backwards, so make sure you check that. All right, go ahead and practice on